Luxury watches have long been recognized not just for their functionality, but for the craftsmanship and the materials used in their construction. Among these materials, gold and silver stand out, adding intrinsic value and allure to these timepieces. Gold, a long-standing tradition in watchmaking, goes beyond just being a metal. There are different types like yellow, white, and rose gold, each giving off a unique vibe. Gold isn't just about looks. It represents success and high status, turning watches into timeless symbols of achievement. Silver, another special metal, has played a crucial role quietly. It adds durability to watches with its unique qualities like being resistant to rust and microbes. Since it's not very common in luxury watches, silver pieces become extra special, turning into both timekeepers and sought-after collectibles. Number 1. Durability and resistance. When it comes to durability and resistance in watchmaking, both gold and silver contribute unique characteristics, albeit in different ways. Gold, despite its reputation for softness, is surprisingly durable in the context of luxury watches. Watchmakers often alloy gold with other metals to enhance its toughness. This alloying process not only ensures that the watch withstands everyday wear and tear, but also helps maintain its intricate details and craftsmanship over time. While gold may not match the hardness of some other materials, its durability in the realm of luxury watches is a testament to the skillful blending of alloys. On the other hand, silver brings a different set of attributes to the table. Its natural antimicrobial properties make it resistant to tarnish and corrosion, contributing to the longevity of the watch. Silver's malleability is harnessed in watch construction, allowing for intricate detailing and fine craftsmanship. However, compared to gold alloys, silver may be relatively softer, and its resistance to scratches might not be as pronounced. Despite this, the use of silver in luxury watches emphasizes a commitment to quality and a focus on maintaining the watch's appearance and functionality. Number 2. Aesthetic appeal. Gold watches are known for their fancy and timeless look. The warm, shiny shades of gold bring a sense of luxury and class. Whether it's classic yellow gold like the Rolex Day-Date President, modern white gold seen in the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak, or the romantic rose gold, as in the Patek Philippe Nautilus. Each type has its special charm. Yellow gold looks prestigious. White gold is modern and classy, and rose gold adds a romantic touch. Gold watches make a strong statement, showing off status and good taste. Silver watches, while a bit more understated, have their own charm. The cool and neutral tones of silver give a versatile and timeless vibe. Simple silver watches like the Omega Speedmaster Professional have an understated elegance. Minimalist designs, as seen in the Nomos Glaciuta Tangenta, highlight the beauty of simplicity and precision. Silver watches are praised for how well they fit with different styles, making them suitable for both fancy and everyday occasions. Silver watches go well with a lot of different styles, making them versatile for various occasions. Gold watches stand out and are often linked with prestige and high-end luxury. People might choose between gold and silver based on what's culturally popular or trending in their region. The way someone likes things to look is a big factor. Some folks prefer the bold and shiny look of gold for a special occasion, while others like the more subtle and everyday style of silver. Number 3. Weight class. When it comes to weight in watchmaking, gold and silver play distinct roles, impacting both the overall feel and the wearer's experience. Gold, known for its density, contributes to a substantial weight in luxury watches. This characteristic provides a sense of heft and solidity to the timepiece, while some wearers appreciate the weightiness of a gold watch as a mark of its high-quality materials and craftsmanship. Others may find it a bit heavier on the wrist, especially in larger or chunkier designs. The weight of gold can add a feeling of luxury and substance, making it a preferred choice for those who appreciate a more substantial presence in their accessories. Silver, being less dense than gold, generally results in lighter watches. This characteristic can be particularly appealing to individuals who prefer a more comfortable and unobtrusive feel on their wrists. The lighter weight of silver watches makes them suitable for everyday wear, offering a more effortless and versatile experience. However, it's important to note that the specific alloying materials used with silver can influence its weight, allowing for some variability in the overall feel of the watch. Number 4. Maintenance and care. When it comes to maintenance and care, both gold and silver luxury watches require attention to preserve their aesthetic appeal and functionality. Gold watches, while known for their durability, can be susceptible to scratches and dings, especially if the gold is in a softer form. Regular cleaning with a soft, damp cloth is recommended to remove accumulated dirt and oils. Additionally, periodic professional polishing can help restore the watch's luster and address surface imperfections. Gold watches may also benefit from careful storage to avoid contact with harder materials that could lead to scratches. Silver watches, with their natural resistance to tarnish and corrosion, often require less maintenance. However, exposure to air and certain environmental elements can still cause silver to tarnish over time. Routine cleaning with a silver polishing cloth can help remove the tarnish and maintain the watch's shine. It's essential to store silver watches in a cool, dry place, preferably in a protective case, to minimize exposure to air and moisture. Ultimately, the maintenance and care routine for gold and silver watches share common principles: regular cleaning, avoiding harsh conditions, and storing them appropriately. The specifics may vary based on the alloy composition and any additional materials present in the watch. Adhering to these guidelines ensures that both gold and silver luxury watches maintain their brilliance and longevity over time. Number 5. Investment value. In one corner, we've got Rolex, Patek Philippe, and Omega, the OGs of value retention. These stunners not only resist the aging clock, but can throw a wink and appreciate over time. Aquanauts like the Black Dial Hottie are the rock stars of the luxury watch world. Craftsmanship is so tight, it's practically a mic drop. Now in the right corner, sparkling brighter than your ex's new bling, we've got white gold watches. Adorned with diamonds and crafted by the watch wizards, these babies aren't playing games when it comes to investments. The secret sauce? The gold factor. Even when it's doing the tango with other materials. Brand and model choices? That's the magic spell that can turn your watch into a money-making magician. Number 6. Price tag. While the investment game is strong for both stainless steel and white gold, let's get real about the initial price tag. It's either a party popper or a jaw dropper. Stainless steel watches, the budget-friendly legends of the luxe scene, let you join the bling brigade without a financial meltdown. Prices might play hopscotch based on brand, model, and the bells and whistles, but stainless steel is the MVP, making luxury watches a party for the people. Now, white gold, with its red carpet vibes, comes with a bit of a higher bill. The precious metal adds weight to the cost, and if your watch is rocking gems or flexing some jaw-dropping craftsmanship, get ready for the price to skyrocket. It's the VIP section of the watch party, reserved for those who want their wrist candy to scream, "Baller alert!" Picture that 40mm Patek Philippe Aquanaut, sleek with Arabic numerals and a self-winding caliber. Now that's what we call wrist royalty. In conclusion, luxury watches with gold and silver medals aren't just for telling time. They're symbols of wealth, timeless style, and expert craftsmanship. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this.